Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today we're going to be making roasted red skin potatoes. This is a fantastic side dish that goes along with just about any type of protein. It's really simple to make, so let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For this recipe we are going to need 1 pound of red skin potatoes cut into quarters. We're also going to need 1 teaspoon of fresh rosemary chopped, a few tablespoons of olive oil, a half a teaspoon of onion powder and garlic powder. And the reason why we're using the powders is because we're roasting this at such a high temperature that if we used minced garlic, it's gonna burn. And we're also going to need some salt and pepper. Before we throw this together, we're gonna wanna preheat our oven to 450 degrees. We're gonna start by drizzling a little bit of olive oil over our potatoes. Then we're gonna go in with our rosemary, our garlic powder and onion powder, our salt and pepper. We're going to give it a toss. Then we're going to place it on our baking sheet and we're going to go into our 450 degree oven for 10 minutes. Now after 10 minutes we're going to want to pull the potatoes out of the oven. We're just going to give these a quick stir and flip them over. We're going to go back into the oven for about another 10 to 15 minutes. I'm going to go closer on the 15-minute side because I like mine a little bit more roasted and crunchy. Alright, our potatoes are done. These look fantastic. Let's plate them. We're just going to do a very simple plating. We're going to take them off of our sheet tray. We're just going to pile them nice and high on our serving plate. Just like that. Man, these smell amazing. Keep stacking them till they're all gone. And garnish it with a little sprig of rosemary right on the side. Looks great. Let's get a taste. Let's dig in. Fair warning, these are extremely hot when they first come out of the oven. These are so good. The exterior is nice and crispy. It's nice and fluffy on the inside, almost like a cloud, a pillow. It's loaded with flavor. You get the garlic, the onion, the rosemary. It's so good. I love these potatoes. It's a fantastic side dish. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. If so, hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. If you're interested in the outdoors, I also have an outdoor channel. I'll drop a link for that in the description. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.